No.
Never.
Not at all.
I have curly hair, so I'm really particular about when I have my wash day.
I don't think it would be a better scenario to wash your hair with body wash unless it's an urgent situation.
Isn't body wash supposed to be used for the body? To me, it sounds like if I were to wash my face with toothpaste.
Just wash when you're in the shower, like with water or with some body wash.
So the body cleanser that I'm using right now, it's good for sensitive skin, but not every day though, only like once or twice a week.
I like to keep my intimate area clean, but someone told me it's better to let it cleanse itself. I don't know if it's a good idea not to clean it, so I wash my intimate area every day with body wash.
Ideal pH balance? Like, I have to check every time I'm in the shower or something?